getting into something very exciting. So after Aisho Speed came to Ghana, and one of the people that's made him have so much fun was his shea butter experience. And so Hamamat is actually on the front line at the moment, where a Ministry of Tourism Culture is here to, make her a tourism ambassador for shea butter. And so I'm excited about that. Let's get into the story. Ghanaian model and entrepreneur Hamamat Montia is set to be officially commissioned by the Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts as a tourism ambassador for shea butter. The move recognizes her strong advocacy for natural skincare and her role in promoting Ghana's shea butter industry on the global stage.